Hello there, everybody. Amber Hawkins, your computer needs a Tulio LLC, celebrating number 14 of computer training, the more that comes to you. It has been quite a while since I've done one of these. Sorry for being away for so long, but I'm back, as you can see. Hope everyone is enjoying their first day of summer. Yay! For those of us who have been waiting on this beautiful, gorgeous weather, it is finally here. So let's make sure to make the best of it. Make sure to visit yourcomputerneeds.net. You can also call 419-304-4564. You can call or either text. Doing something as far as computer maintenance is concerned, I've done it before, but I thought I'd do it a little differently with a twist. What I'm going to do is have it where, hi Robert, good to see you, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to do a 7-day series on summer computer maintenance. I will not be before you long. Make sure to like the page and also make sure to spread the word about it. As far as what times I will be on the other days, that I'm not exactly sure at this time. But make sure you like the page so you will get notices on when I will be doing this short series. So let's go ahead and get into it. With the first day of summer, with maintenance, you'll have to do it differently during the summer as opposed to the other seasons. One of the things you'll need to do, in case you have not done it yet, is make sure to please back up your files. Any files you want to keep, store, be it stored in another device, store it on the cloud, Google Drive, or a similar drive, iCloud. Store it on external hard drives. Store some files on jump drives, or thumb drives as they call it. This is the example of a thumb drive or jump drive right here. So you can store your files there. This relates also to other devices, smartphones, tablets, and all of that. Make sure you store and back up your files, because if there are files you need to keep, you need to make sure you back them up. The second thing you will need to do is check to make sure you are deleting any programs or any files that you don't need. Let me use for an example printer files. Let's say you purchase a new printer, but there is a printer that you no longer have, but you still have the files of that old printer inside your laptop or your device. Why is that? It is taking up more room than it needs to. And if you're wondering why you keep running out of space, could it be that you're keeping programs and files you no longer need? Make sure you get them deleted. You need to make room, inside of your device. Whether you're keeping it or whether you are going to be purchasing a new device, laptop, desktop, smartphone, tablet, whatever the case may be, you have to get rid of those programs. The third thing you need to do, well, I really don't know which direction to go in order to do that. Get yourself a professional who is experienced and a professional who is certified. You can have it where a person has experience, but they're not certified. You can also have it where a person is certified, but not experienced. You're going to have to be very careful in regards to that. I'm going to make this the last point. Need to make sure your device is warranted. Is it protected? Do you have protection over your devices? Because you're either going to pay now or pay later. If you do not have warranties covering and protecting your devices, you're going to have to make sure you do that as soon as possible if you have not done it yet. Because if you're going to call and, let's say, get maintenance from a professional, be it a professional, the name manufacturer for your laptop or your device, or a local business professional, or a third-party professional, Make sure they're reputable though. You're going to pay more if your device is not protected, if it's not a warranty. One of the first things that's going to happen when you call is that person's going to ask, or even I'm going to ask, do you have a warranty covering your laptop? If your answer is no, get ready to pay. If you have any more questions, 419-304-4564, call or text. You can also click on the contact link of yourcomputerneeds.net, and the email will come to me. You can also message me, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Periscope, Instagram, StumbleUpon, YouTube. I've had questions as far as if I'm on Snapchat. No, I'm not on Snapchat. If you need for me to be, let me know. If you also would like for me to cover other aspects of cleaning your computers for summer maintenance, make sure you comment below. I will be making sure to cover it. That is all, everyone. I thank you for tuning in. Make sure you spread this video, spread the word. And again, if you have any questions, 419-304-4564. Call or text. The contact link of yourcomputerneeds.net. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Periscope, Instagram, and StumbleUpon. Oh, don't forget YouTube as well. Take care. Thank you all for tuning in. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.